Hello children, welcome to your online class. Let's continue our class. So class 3rd, we are continuing our chapter 11, sound and noise. In our last video, we have learned different type of sounds like artificial sound, natural sounds, plants produce sound, animals produce sound. Now today we are learning about some more kinds of sounds. So first one is soft and loud sound. Soft sounds are gentle sounds that are low in volume. For example, whispering, sound of river water, sound of leaves, rattling of leaves. These are soft sounds. And loud sounds are powerful sounds that are high volumed. Okay, soft sounds are low volume sound and loud sounds are high volume sound like DJ sounds. You all might have hear DJ sound in marriages and birthday parties. Okay, so loud sounds are powerful sounds that are highly volumed. Loud sounds can damage our ears. So you must speak in a soft sound, okay, and you must hear the music and all these things for a limited period and in a soft sound. Okay, now next one is pleasant and unpleasant sound. Pleasant sound which makes us feel happy and relaxed, like musical sound, that is pleasant sound. Next one is unpleasant sound that makes us uncomfortable, which we do not like. Okay, like machine produced sound. When mixer grinder produce sound, that is not pleasant sound. Okay, so these are the pleasant and unpleasant sound. Now next one is shrill and flat sound. Shrill sound having high frequency is said to be shrill sound. The voice of a woman is shriller than that of a man. Okay, the voice of sounds of ghungru and whistle are shrill sound. Shrill example of shrill sound is whistle sound. And flat sounds like drums produce flat sound. Those are having low frequency. Now children, you don't know about the frequencies. This you will come to know in your senior classes. Okay, so these are some types of sounds. Now next one is noise. Sometimes your parents or your teachers say you that do not make noise. So what is noise? Noise is sound which is loud and unpleasant is called noise. Okay, you have heard about noise pollution. Okay, because of vehicles, horns, all these noise produced. Okay, so sound which is loud and unpleasant is called noise. Noise produce strong vibrations which can cause damage to our eardrums. Very loud sounds sometimes cause permanent deafness. Deafness means when you are not able to hear anything. Okay, that is called deafness. So sometimes loud sounds cause permanent deafness. Okay, now what are the steps to reduce noise pollution? We will learn some steps to reduce noise pollution. So first one is we should not play TV, radio or music player at loud volumes. Okay, always in a limited volume you must hear these things. Okay, now second one is try to blow horns when necessary. Okay, do not blow horns unnecessarily. Okay, third one is loudspeakers should be avoided. Fourth, DJ should be used only for a limited period of time. You might have seen now in marriages and birthday party also music is allowed for a limited period. After 10 p.m. there will be no music. This is instructed. Okay, so DJ should be used only for a limited period of time. So children, now we have completed this chapter. Okay, now I am going to solve worksheet 1, which I have given you in your last homework, that is your 28th homework. Okay, so those who have done, they will just match their answer and will do the correction if needed, and those who have not done, they will do this in their book. So children, this is your worksheet 1, given on page number 116. So your first question is unscramble the letters to make meaningful words. So first one, if you will unscramble, you will get sounds, sounds, sounds. Children, second one is wrong because there must be 2a, but here they have given only 1a. This will become pleasant, pleasant, if you will replace this e with a. Okay, so you will write here pleasant, pleasant. Now question number 2 is tick the correct answers. Cow produce dash sound: moo, buzz, chip, hiss. Which one is correct? Moo. Okay, you will tick it out. Now question number 3 is write whether each statement is true or false. First one is plants are fixed to soil so they cannot make any sound. So this one is false. Plants can produce sound. Now B is when we blow in drum, sound is produced. Yes, this is true. Now C is vibration of tongue produce sound. Yes, this is also true. Now question number 4 is fill in the blanks with appropriate words. First one is plants produce sound by dash of leaves. What you will write? Rattling. Here it is also given. rattling, rattling of leaves. B1 is sound is the sensation of dash. Here it will come hearing. hearing, hearing. Now C is different materials. materials. Materials produce different kind of sound. Now question number 5. Write opposite of these sounds. Shrill, you will write flat, F-L-A-T. Flat will be the opposite of shrill. Now next one is pleasant. It will be unpleasant, unpleasant, unpleasant. Now loud, you will write soft, S-O-F-T, soft. Now sixth one is an activity which is given to you. This you will do yourself. Beat the following materials with a service spoon and tick which produce maximum sound. This is your activity. You can do yourself and then you can tick it out which metal produce maximum and which metal produce minimum sound. Now children, this much for today. Until my next video, thank you and bye bye.